How to fix unable to remove payment method because active subscription on iPhone. So if you want to fix unable to remove payment method because active subscription on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After that, go with your profile, which will be on the top. Now from the profile, you need to just simply go with the subscriptions option. From subscriptions, you need to tap on the subscription. You will have all of your active or expired subscriptions right here. If you see any active subscriptions for apps like Snapchat, Tinder, Netflix, or any other service, you'll need to cancel them first before you can remove your payment method. To cancel a subscription, you need to tap on it and select cancel. Keep in mind that your subscription may remain active until the next billing cycle. If you're still unable to remove your payment method, move on to the next step. Even after canceling your app subscriptions, there's one critical reason why you might still be unable to remove your payment method. It's none other than your iCloud storage plan. If you're paying for additional iCloud storage, Apple won't let you remove your payment method until you downgrade to the free 5 GB plan. So open up your settings, go with your Apple ID, which will be on the top, then navigate to the iCloud option and check if you have any active storage plans right here. If there is any active storage plan, then you can change your storage plan and then select the free plan. If you're using more storage than the free plan allows, then you'll need to delete some files, backups, or photos to free up some space before you can downgrade. Once your iCloud storage plan is downgraded, you should be able to remove your payment method without any issues. Now, once you've canceled all of your active subscriptions and downgraded to iCloud storage, it's time to remove your payment method. So to remove your payment method, you need to open up your settings again and then tap on your Apple account, which will be on the top. Once you tap on the Apple ID, you need to go with payment and delivery options. After that, select remove payment method. If everything is done correctly, you should be able to remove it without seeing any errors. If your goal was simply to update or change your credit or your debit card details, you can now add a new payment method without any issues. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.